Introducing AI-powered infographic creation.
Want to turn your data into stunning visuals in seconds? Discover how AI-powered data visualization tools can help you transform numbers, spreadsheets, and reports into eye-catching infographics automatically. No design skills needed. These platforms make it fast and easy for anyone to share insights through engaging graphics.
How do AI data visualization tools work?
The previous steps continue to take in surveys. It's simply upload your data file or paste your information, and the platform uses machine learning to choose graphic elements, colors, and text that clearly communicate your message. The result? Professional infographics tailored to your content.
Popular platforms for automatic infographic generation.
Several platforms let you create infographics from data in just a few clicks. Tools like Canva, Piktochart, and Venngage now offer AI-powered features. Specialized apps like Tableau's Data Stories or Visme's AI Design Assistant simplify the process even more, turning raw numbers into visually appealing presentations instantly.
Benefits of using AI for infographics.
AI-driven infographics save time and improve communication. They eliminate manual design work, ensure data accuracy, and help avoid common visualization mistakes. This approach also encourages better storytelling, making complex information easier to understand and share across reports, presentations, and social media.
Getting started with AI data visualization tools.
You don't need technical expertise to begin. Sign up for a platform, upload your data, and let the AI suggest designs. You can then refine the layout, tweak colors, and add branding if desired. Explore different templates and experiment to find the best look for your message. With AI, anyone can create impactful infographics automatically.